Okay, first let me say that I've never done no. Yes, I have done something like this before, with my Hamilton masterpiece. The the hands came off, and I was able to put them back on that. You know what I mean? The second hand came off. I was able to fix that, but I've never done nothing like this before. It was quite aggravating and quite messed up, but I got it done. You understand what I'm saying? So I hope y'all enjoy this video. It is what it is. This your boy P. Ross, and we in the building. Yo, let's keep this 100. I'm doing all this on the fly, okay? Now, here is a used Longines from 1949 that I'm using to do this, okay? I took this used Longines, okay? And I took the small second hands off. Check this out, right? I took it off. All right. And it by no means was easy because I am not a professional with these things. I'm going to admit that. I'm not a professional. You understand what I'm saying? But when I get into something, I get into it to do it, period, to get it done. Now, I put it in my hand, and there it is right there, y'all. There it is. There it is. These are 10 karat gold parts. You know what I mean? And then, check this out. Look at this right here. Then the crystal actually broke on mine, and I took the crystal out, okay, out of the one that I was using for parts. All right, now, here is my vintage Longines from 1949. Check that out, right? And I'm going to take this one out of the case. Check it out. Look at this, right? Take this one out of the case, okay? And I'm going to place the small second hand into where it belongs right now. Y'all think I'm playing, but I'm getting it done. Because you know what? I really like this watch. Check this out. Look at this, right? Look at this, right? Yeah. Drop. Uh-huh. Now, check out the skills and the precision in which your boy P. Ross does this. We ain't playing. We are not playing. We are dedicated and we are committed. There it is. We got it in there. Look at that. Look at that right now. Look at that. Check it out. And look. Look. And it's working. Look at that right there. Look at it go around and around and around. Yo, your boy P. Ross wasn't playing on this one. You know what I mean? We got the small second hand in there. You know what I mean? And here's the close-up of that. Y'all thought I was playing. Y'all thought I was bullshitting. We was not playing, yo. And here we go. We already took the gold frame of this watch and cleaned it real good. And here's the crystal. Here is the crystal. The crystal snapped into this gold frame like it was supposed to. You understand what I'm saying? Here we go. Check this out. Check this out. Look, watch this. Crack, crack, crack. There we go. There we go. This was the perfect crystal for this watch. You understand what I'm saying? Right here, right freaking now. Thought we was playing. Now we're about to put it all together. Put it all together. We have a better crystal. If you saw my Longines 1949 showcase, you saw, look how that look now. Look at how that look. Now that we got the small second hands on it and a better crystal, it is the bomb shiggity. The bomb shiggity. Check it out. Look at that. Look at that small second hand going around that Longines. Look at that, 1949. It's a classic. It's definitely a vintage classic. Check it out, yo. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, 10K Goldfield, all of that. We are in the building, and it looks better than what it did before. You know what I mean? Now we're about to put that green leather money green strap back on it. You know what I mean? And it makes it look a lot better. That green leather strap really brought out the bomb shiggity in this watch. 17 millimeter strap. You understand what I'm saying? Not an issue. It's the bomb. Check it out. Look at that. Look at that right there. See, y'all think your boy P. Ross be playing. We don't be playing when it comes to these watches. You understand what I'm saying? I was committed to finding another watch for parts, and I found it on eBay. Shout out to that seller. You know what I mean? So I can get a small second hand and a better crystal for it. And there it is, the comparison. There it is, yo. There it is. Like Jason, Friday the 13th, we killing it. This your boy P. Ross, and we up out of here. Peace. Shout out to all the watch enthusiasts. Yo, check this one out. Peace.